story. Bobo learns to wash hands. Bobo comes to the hand wash corner after play and notices messy paws. Luna gently reminds Bobo to wash hands. Bobo steps up to the sink to begin washing hands. Bobo puts soap on paws and gets ready to scrub. Bobo rubs paws together and scrubs carefully. Bobo rinses the soap off and paws are getting clean. Bobo uses the towel and dries paws nicely. Bobo learned to wash hands and feels happy with clean paws. Hope you enjoyed this story. Subscribe to Bobo and Friends for gentle preschool stories about kindness, safety, and good habits.